Within ArkCase, users who have the right permissions can actually create different things. In this example, the user can create a new complaint. They simply click New, select Complaint, and the new complaint form is displayed. All the information in this new complaint form can either be required fields or can be optional fields. That's what you see here with the asterisks, and we actually have this in yellow for these two examples. We have first name and last name that are required. The rest of the information for the person that's calling into the complaint, like the communication device, like where the person works, or their address, that's all optional information. As a user can continue on to the form, they will also enter in incident information about that complaint. These categories, by the way, are all configurable based on your specific business. In this case, we'll just go ahead and say it's a medical reimbursement. This was a required field, which is the title, and so forth. There's also people that you can add within the incident. This is helpful so you can kind of get a 360-degree view about the complaint or the incident. In this case, you could have multiple people that are added, and they could be complainant, subject, witness, wrongdoer. Again, these fields are also configurable. It's really up to your business and how you want to see the fields displayed on the screen. Fourth, you can add in attachments. So at the time the person's calling in or entering the information via the phone, you can upload files associated with this complaint. And lastly, participants have to do with the users within ArkCase that are going to be doing this work. In this case, the users could be defined into two groups. They could be owners or followers. Owners, in essence, own the case. Followers are the people that are following it and just watching what's going on. What's displayed next on the screen is a fully populated form. Here you can see Donald is our initiator, some information about him. Notice the highlight. You can simply do that by just clicking here and picking a color of the text that you want to highlight. It's helpful because then the other users can see more information and it sort of pops out on their screen. All the other information like communication devices, where the person works, the location of where he works, and other information were also entered. Similar for incident. What we had entered in was that incident category of medical, some details about the incident, that it happened once, where it happened is just an example, and then people that are involved. Here we had Jack Smith that's a witness. We went ahead and entered him in so he could be called later. We didn't upload any attachments, but you easily could by just hitting add files and browsing to your desktop or file share. And then the participants, we went ahead and selected Sally as our participant. Next, what we'll do is go ahead and hit submit. Once submit is selected, then the actual document and the complaint is created. So what you'll see next, this complaint is created at the top of the screen. Incorrect reimbursement for medical expenses, and all the information that Sally had just entered is right within the context of the complaint.